Hi everyone, my name is Daria Fedko. I'm a founder and CEO of We Are Studio. Warm greetings from Ukraine. Our team is based in Kiev and right now all around the world, actually, partly. So what we do, we are expertized in AR and VR development for business needs across various industries. We build AR, VR solutions. And as far as Metaverse is a big trend right now in the market, we are also exploring that. And today I'm going to share on how to build your business presence in Metaverse through XR technologies. And my speech will be mostly from the perspective of XR technologies because this is kind of my field of expertise. So let's go. The agenda for today is what is the Metaverse in a nutshell, the role of XR in the Metaverse concept, and the business use cases of the transition to the Metaverse-ready model, and where to start this transition for your business if you think of that. If you don't, I hope you will think after this session and you will get inspired, or at least you will start thinking about it and exploring this question. So let's go. What is Metaverse? That's a complicated question. Usually when people talk about Metaverse, they refer to Web3. So it's kind of an evolution of internet. Firstly, we had Web 1. It was about reading. So you, as a user, you enter the internet, you see some piece of content and you can read it. Web 2 is about reading and writing. So you can create some of the content, you can publish it, and you can also read some other types of content. And the Web 3, the difference is that you can also interact. So it's writing, reading, and interacting. And for sure, there are a lot of other features in the Metaverse concept, but still. So it's about also decentralization, openness, and more excellent user utility. Metaverse cannot be owned by someone, single seller or a company or a person. And it's kind of an independent virtual economy. It is also about the connectivity across different platforms and users. And it is also mostly about the experience and interaction in 3D. So no flat screens, no flat images, mostly 3D environments and experiencing and interactions. So this is in a nutshell about the Metaverse. If you're interested in more details, you can go and Google and read more about that. There is a great report from PwC, and hopefully you can read it and learn more. So the Metaverse components. The first one is AI. It's for the artificial intelligence. It includes machine learning, natural language learning, Internet of Things, machine vision, and a few more components in here. But as far as Metaverse is about contextual search, in this case, artificial intelligence has a crucial role. Then, as far as the Metaverse is decentralized system, we have blockchain component with cryptocurrencies, NFTs, smart contracts, and decentralized autonomous organizations. And the third component is for the experience and interaction in 3D environment. Right now, it's represented by the AR/VR technologies, but surely we will have a lot of more Rs in future. We'll see how it goes. So it's for the virtual shared spaces, simulation, augmenting the physical world and physical objects, different immersive experiences, and so on and so forth. So this is the three main components and the role of XR technologies and all of this concept in general. So if to say in a nutshell, AR and VR is a core visual and experience component of the Metaverse that helps this phenomenon of Metaverse to manifest itself, to become real, to become interactable with. And you can experience the Metaverse not only, but mostly like through the 3D environment and through some interactions. So this is the role of extended reality technologies. What I want to add in here, and this is one of my favorite quotes of Confucius is, I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. And experience and kind of doing things is a key to everything. And it's a very important part of Metaverse, the experience. You can experience things, you can get closer to them, you can understand them better, you can build this emotional connection only through experience. So let's go through this terrifying list. And I'm sorry about this slide, but we're limited in time, so we have to go through it quickly. Business use cases. How can you use Metaverse for your business? So firstly, it is a future for e-commerce and shopping experiences. You can speed up your sales cycle. You can sell physical and digital objects in Metaverse. You can make them applicable for try-on feature. You can try it on yourself in augmented reality. You can try it on your virtual avatar. You can try it in your virtual space. You can try it in your actual space. So it's kind of a shopping and trying and buying. A hybrid meeting experience is also a part of the Metaverse. You can refer to it as a immersive Zoom or Google Meet. You can experience the meeting in the 3D environment with your coworkers or team members or partners, seeing them as an avatars or holograms. You can have this feeling of presence and interactions during the meetings. No flat screens anymore. You can run highly engaging conferences, events, and presentations, again, thanks to the immersive experiences, to the immersive environment and feeling of presence and being together in that story and living through it together. You can use it as one of the channels in your marketing funnel. So you can just integrate it into your funnel as one of the channels, or you can create a brand new funnel for the Metaverse. And actually, I think it will make more sense. You can also integrate it with your loyalty program, CRM, CRPs, and so on and so forth. If you create some piece of Metaverse, let's say so, like AR or VR application or NFT or something, you should kind of check if you integrate it properly with your existing digital ecosystem. That will make more sense and that will show you best results. You can use gamifications to boost the engagement, no matter is it a meeting experience, is it training of your employees, is it a new product presentation. If you add a little bit, at least a little bit of gamification to this experience, it will totally change it. And it will create this emotional connection and make it more engageable. Then Metaverse for business is also a way to increase retention and conversion rates. Thanks to all of these features and use cases, you can increase these rates. You can also enhance your HR brand, your HR processes, for example, onboarding or training. Again, through the immersive environment, having the real-life simulations or having the safe place for your employees to train and to repeat as many times as needed for them to train and educate themselves. What else? You can also engage with the new audiences and young generations. You will be surprised with the alternative target audience of your brand and your company that exist in Metaverse. You can also use it as a digital twin of your facilities, production line, manufacturing. If you have some ideas and theories, you can implement them first in the digital twin to validate them. You can grow your brand advocates through playing through these experiences in Metaverse. And the last but not the least, you can track and analyze data. Yay, data rocks! Like you can collect enormous amount of data from virtual and augmented reality experiences, starting with the heat map of how users are moving around your environments, how many times do they interact with this product or with that product, how is their attention moving around, and so on and so forth, like number of metrics. And this data will help you get the insights about the behavior of your customers, employees, partners, whatever, in Metaverse, in this immersive experience, and it will help you do the future business decision based on this data. You can understand their behavior, behavior patterns, and predict some of the trends for the future. So I have some of the examples, just the short ones. For example, Microsoft, they built this Mesh app for Microsoft Teams. It is a digital overlay to enable the presence and the share experiences through the mixed reality apps. Then we have Balenciaga. They integrated high fashion skins into the Fortnite. The skins are for avatars, and they also created Balenciaga themed hub, so you can experience their brand in Fortnite. Coca-Cola, for sure. They created virtual wearables as NFT, and it contains the digital apparel that can be worn in the virtual world of Decentraland. Gucci, I love Gucci. They created the garden in Roblox. It is a unique and interactive virtual exhibition. Gucci Garden, Google it, it's just amazing. And Honda. They created the Mobility Adventure. This is the Metaverse space in Roblox, featuring the Honda Motors products and future mobility solutions. And what is interesting, they're targeting the young consumers. They want to nurture the long-term relationships with them. That's a wise one. I love this use case. So you can Google many more other use cases on the market, and here we are. Where to start with your business transition to the Metaverse? If you have this idea, or if you want to try it out, it's better to start with understanding where does it hurt. The usual thing, problem and solution, the same works for the Metaverse, for the extended reality. It's better for you to understand what types of problems do you have in communication and marketing and sales and so forth, and analyze how you can use virtual or augmented reality or any type of immersive experience to solve that problem. Then analyze your infrastructure and fill the holes. Sometimes it's better to update your website first and then create in the virtual experience. So just analyze what you have, what are the holes, fill them in, and then move forward with the extended reality. Also get familiar with the concept of Metaverse, NFT, decentralization. Just get familiar with that. Educate yourself, educate your team members or your audience, understand what are the platforms, what is the software, what is the hardware, what are the use cases, and then you can try the waters. I really suggest going step by step. And if you're about to enter this Metaverse model, then you can just start with the NFT, for example, publishing an NFT, or you can create an augmented reality filter in Instagram, or you can publish an virtual reality application in Oculus Quest. So it's up to your business. Just go step by step, validate your idea, collect the feedback from the market or focus group, and then analyze it and apply it for the next versions. Experience is a king, as usual. Think through the experience, do your homework, know your audience, and remember that in the Metaverse, you do everything through the experience, through the interaction. So you sell through experience, you learn through experience, you present through experience, you communicate and socialize, again, through experience. So don't forget about that. And develop a strategy. It's not just the separate part of XR or AR or VR that will just live there by itself. You have to properly integrate it into your business, into your marketing strategy or growth strategy. So just be sure that you properly integrate it in. And align the physical and digital. I know it might be complicated, but still make sure that you aligned it, that you don't have this gap between what you're showcasing in digital world and what you're having in physical. It may be complementary, but it have to be aligned. So hopefully this this lecture helped you and inspired you in some way. I would love to talk to you guys if you're about to start your metaverse journey, or if you're exploring this industry. I would love to discuss that and help you and assist you in this journey. So you're welcome to my social media. Please join me on LinkedIn or Twitter. I'm always there and happy to have a discussion around this topic. And thank you for your attention, and let the metaverse be with you. Yeah. Okay, thank you.